The phrase "dark side of the moon" often conjures images of a mysterious, unseen half of our natural satellite shrouded in perpetual darkness. However, this common misconception is far from reality. In truth, each side of the moon experiences 2 weeks of daylight followed by 2 weeks of night. The term dark is misleading. A more accurate term is the far side of the moon. The reason we never see this far side from Earth is due to a phenomenon known as tidal locking. Tidal locking occurs when an object's orbital period matches its rotational period. In the case of the moon, it takes approximately 27.3 days to orbit Earth and the same amount of time to rotate once on its axis. This synchronicity ensures that the same hemisphere always faces Earth while the opposite side, the far side, remains hidden. What exactly is on this far side of the moon? Thanks to several space missions, we now have a clearer picture. One of the most famous missions was the Lunar Orbiter program in the 1960s, which captured the first images of the far side. More recent missions, like China's Chang'e 4, have even landed on the far side, providing invaluable data. The far side is rugged and replete with impact craters, more so than the near side. It lacks the large, dark plains of solidified lava known as Maria that are prominent on the side we see. Instead, much of its surface is covered with anorthosite, a type of rock rich in a mineral called plagioclase. These differences indicate a diverse geological history. The Apollo astronauts, although they didn't venture to the far side, brought back samples that have helped scientists understand more about its composition. Notably, the far side features the South Pole Aitken Basin, one of the largest and oldest impact craters in the solar system. Scientists believe studies of this basin could offer insights into the moon's early history and, by extension, the early solar system. Despite the lack of direct human exploration, technological advancements have enriched our knowledge of the moon's far side. Future missions, potentially crewed, may focus on this region to unlock its remaining secrets. So, while the dark side of the moon may sound like a sci-fi mystery, the reality is just as fascinating, revealing a complex and varied landscape that holds keys to understanding not just our moon, but planetary formation and evolution in general.